Hello devs, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about dynamic routing in ReactJS. In our previous video, we learned about static routing. So in this video, we are going to learn dynamic routing. So what is a dynamic routing? Navigating between pages based on condition. So this is my home page, and if I click on if I give slash profile, my page is navigated to profile page. So this is my profile page. If I click pass about, my page is navigated to about page. So let's take an example for dynamic routing. So if I click, so I'm taking a sample data. So go to Google and search for Mokaro. It's Mokaro, and go to Mokaro. So this generates a sample JSON data. So this is my ID. If you want to change field name, you can change. If you change ID, I'm changing a UID, and first name will be my first name, last name is last name, email address, gender. I'm removing IP address. So my rows will be 10. My format will be JSON format. Let's remove array and include null values. Let's preview our data. So this generates a sample data, JSON data. So let's copy the sample data and go to our React project and create one file in our root folder. Let's say uh, persons. Let's simply label it as data.js. So let's take variable data. So I'm pasting my data here. Mm, so our generated data does not include a comma, so you can modify our data by separated by comma. So yeah, so let's go to our home page. This is our home page, and now I'm mapping my data dot map. Let's take a person. So I'm taking a anchor tag and href. So if I click on a person, my page is navigate to person. Let's say profile of that particular person. So if I click on person number one so if I click on person with ID number 017 and so on, so my route is navigated to this profile. If I click on this ID, my profile page is navigated to this profile. So this is how dynamic routing works. So if I click on person, my page is navigated to uh, person with id. Close our anchor tab. Now go to profile. Let's pass our person first name or last name. Person dot first name also. Person dot last name. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's go for our and you can see go to profile, and this is format. Let's make it tile. Uh, Class name. Let's say flex, and height will be screen, and width will be screen, and it should be aligned to center and rough the web page, and go to it's, actually it's flex column, and you can see my all my profiles. So first name is Loretta Kawkil, and go to our data, and we can see first name and last name, and you can see second profile, which is Maude and Staten. So if you click on this profile, my navigated to profile with ID 01J7, and you can see if I click, I clicked on first profile with ID, this one. So if I am going back, let's refresh, and I'm going third. If I click on third profile, my page is navigated to third profile, which is URL 017, and my last three is 3HR, and you can check 3HR. This is my third profile. So, so if I click on one profile, I wanted to show the details of the profile. Let's go for it, and click on profile. So to show the details of the person, you just wanted to need for profile route, you need to pass slash id slash semicolon and followed by id. So let's remove profile, and so if you wanted to display the id in our web page, you need to use id from our parameters, url parameters. So this is our id in our profile page. Let's display our id, and you can see my id is displayed. So if I click on any profile, my the profile id is displayed here, and so let's display more details about that profile. Now you just needed to run a loop for, so I'm taking an array details, empty array, and I wanted to run a loop for data dot for each, and this took a person, If my person with ID is matches with my ID, which is passed to parameters, and I simply push first name or last name to details dot push person first name, also last name, details dot push person dot last name, and also push all the details. So our details array stores all the details about that profile. So you want to map our details in our web page. So let's remove this one, and first name uh, will be our details of 0, and our last name is details of 1, email. I'm just accessing the keys from details array. uh, Now this time it is indexed to my 0th index is my first name. So because I pushed my first name to details array, so first index will be last name, and second index will be email, and third index will be gender. So gender, gender is with index 3. So let's go to our web page, and you can see first name, last name, email. uh, so it's a little bit clumsy. Let's add some styling for more visibility. Flex and change. You just need to add a break tag here, and you can see all the details about that profile. So this is my one profile. If I click on first profile with Lorita Kaukil, and you can see the first name, last name, email, and gender. If I click on last profile, Rosanna Gosart, so my page is navigated to profile with. And if I click on any profile, my page is navigated to that profile. So I So this is how you can navigate between pages based on uh, condition. So this is what dynamic routing